Hi everyone. So what's on my mind this week actually stems from an admin top-up session that I was running for one of our customers who have been using Koha since before 2015. A feature came up that they hadn't seen before, and it's actually been around in Koha for probably since around 2015. But for some reason, it wasn't spotted in the release notes by them, and they liked the look of it. So I thought I'd share that with you today, just in case it might have been one that had fallen through the net in your implementations as well. It's actually to do with searching, and it's called search categories. So I'll go out to the OPAC side, and let's go into advanced search. So in advanced search, on your item types page, you've got a lot of options to filter by different item types. Some libraries have very many item types, some libraries have very few, or a mixture. But as you can see on this particular test site, there's a lot of different item types, and it makes the screen very busy. So this particular feature that I'm going to show you today, it's a very simple feature, and it just allows you to hide specific item types from this page, but then to group them together so that you can search for them together, so as one search option. So for example, here we've got DVDs and we've got videos. They're separately categorized, and that's useful from a cataloging point of view. They're different media types, but from an end user searching point of view, I might just want to simply search for films. So let's have a look at how I might choose to do that. If I go out to my staff interface and into Koha administration, in the item types basic parameters, for each of the different item types, and here's the one for DVD, for example, you have an option here called search category. And this is set to none. There are no search categories defined. But the pull down values that appear here come from the item type cat category in your authorized values. So let's go out to authorized values and add one. So we're going to find the item type cat category, and it sits here. It allows multiple item types to be searched in a category. There's currently no values in this list, so I'm going to add a new authorized value. My authorized value can be what I choose to call it. I'm going to call this one films, and the description I'm going to call films, and let's just save that. And now that value is available for me to embed in my item types themselves. So when I go out to item types, I'm going to pick the first one that I want to group together, and that's DVDs. So if I click on DVDs, and now in my search category in the pull down list here, I can choose films. I'm going to save that item type. And then I might move on to the next one that I want to categorize in that way. So I'm going to show all entries because it's the one quite near the end, video. So let's go into video here. And again, search category, I'm going to change that to films. So I can save my changes here. And that means if I just actually expand all those entries, so we can see in the search category column, I've got DVDs now grouped by the search category films, as are videos. If I go back now to my OPAC, and I'll just refresh this page. So now on my item type limiters, instead of having a specific item type value for DVDs and a specific item type value for videos, we can see here now I've got a single one for films. And as an end user, if I simply select films here and look for carry out my search, I can search for my films, and it should go out and narrow down those search results. So it's returned 774 results, filtering by the search category of films. And it doesn't change the item categories themselves, of course. They remain unique and specific to those particular media types. But from the searching point of view, for the end user, I don't need to worry about, is a DVD category, is it a film? If I want is a video, a film, I can just simply look for films and my search will return any matches that meet those criteria. So it's a really simple little piece of admin. It's something that has been around in Koha for some time, but it may be something that you've missed. So I just thought I'd bring that as my what's on my mind this week. So thanks very much. Thanks for listening.